This is the Porscan skimmer basket replacement for Hayward skimmers. Let's take it out of the wrapper. In the wrapper, we find the replacement skimmer basket itself. Nothing to it. It's a drop-in replacement. This is, like I said, a replacement skimmer basket for Hayward skimmers. This will replace Hayward part number SPX 1082CA, SP 1082C, and Aladdin B152. It's compatible with Hayward skimmer models SP 1082, SP 1083, SP 1084, SP 1085, SP 1086, SP 1082T, SP 1084T, SP 1075, SP 1075T, SP 1076, and SP 1077. It captures debris, has a removable handle with durable construction. It makes for easy maintenance. Let me show you how to remove the handle. The easiest way is to kind of squeeze the basket this way. So I'll do it like this. And then the handle lifts out and pulls out just like that. And that's convenient if you use a filter basket sock that will trap smaller debris particles. And again, the same thing to reinstall the handle right there. Let's go see if it fits the skimmer. You'll have to pardon the tall grass. My gardener, otherwise known as me, has been on vacation, so he hasn't been around. Here's the existing skimmer. Looks similar. We'll take that out and put in the new Porscan skimmer. Perfect fit. Easy replacement. So once again, this was the Porscan replacement skimmer basket for Hayward skimmers. This also is available in a 2-pack. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.